Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey, and for episode 4 of Healthy Oats Recipes, I'm sharing Oats Upma, ideal as a quick, healthy breakfast or as a dinner. So let's get started with the recipe. Into my cast iron kadai, I'm adding in 1 cup of old-fashioned rolled oats, and I'm lightly roasting the oats on low flame. Now the reason why you need to either roast the oats or soak the oats before cooking is to help release the phytic acid content in oats. Soaking or roasting the oats will help in better digestion and also helps in better nutrient absorption. So if you have noticed having digestive issues like gas, bloating or indigestion when consuming oats, try to soak or roast the oats before using them. Once roasted, transfer to a plate. Allow the oats to cool down completely. Now you can also plan ahead and roast some oats, cool it down completely and then store it in an airtight glass container. This way it will be more easier to make oats upma. While the oats are cooling down, I got the other ingredients ready. Half teaspoon mustard seeds, half teaspoon urad dal, half cup green peas, 1 green chilli finely chopped. Green chilli you can increase or decrease as per your taste. Couple of sprigs of fresh curry leaves, 1 carrot finely chopped, half onion finely chopped, 3 tablespoon peanuts, half inch ginger finely chopped, and I'll also be using juice of half a lemon. I'm heating my pan with 1 tablespoon wood pressed groundnut oil. Once the oil is heated, I'm adding in half teaspoon mustard seeds, and once the mustard seeds starts to splutter, add in half teaspoon urad dal. Give it a stir and allow the urad dal to get lightly roasted. Once the urad dal starts to turn light golden brown in color, add in 3 tablespoon peanuts. I'm using roasted peanuts and lightly give it a stir. Half onion finely chopped, ginger finely chopped, green chilli finely chopped. Give it all a good stir and allow the onions to saute until transparent. Once the onion is transparent, add in the chopped carrot, green peas, half teaspoon sea salt, 1/3 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/3 teaspoon black pepper powder, freshly ground black pepper powder. Black pepper helps in better assimilation of turmeric. Give this all a good mix. Allow the vegetables to saute for a couple of minutes. A couple of minutes later, add in the fresh curry leaves, tearing the curry leaves and adding in so that the flavors are released. And give it a good stir. Add in 1 cup of water and bring this to a boil. And once it boils, add in the roasted oats. Give it a good stir, cover and let it cook on low flame. It's about 4 minutes now and let's open the lid. Give this a good mix. The oats are now getting cooked. So another 2 minutes of cooking and it will be ready to serve. Cover for about 2 minutes. Remember the flame is on the lowest. Another 2 minutes later, open the lid and now the oats are perfectly cooked. You can see that it is non-sticky and it is perfectly cooked. So I'm giving it a good stir and turn off the flame. See how non-sticky the oats upma is. So that is also one of the benefits of roasting the oats. Roasting the oats will prevent it from getting sticky. So make sure that you roast the oats when you are making upma. I'm turning off the flame and I'm squeezing in half a lemon. Give it a good stir and serve to a plate. If you like the taste of coriander leaves, you can add in finely chopped coriander leaves at this stage. And my super healthy oats upma is ready to serve. So guys, do try this healthy oats upma and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye-bye.